So today I'm going to be working with a child who's having trouble with his blending. Now, Mom is taking my Toddlers Can Read courses, and I put out an open call for folks in Houston just to see, can I show up? Can I work with your kid? And he is stuck at a stage that a lot of kids get stuck at, which is how to blend and how to put sounds together. So I've never met the kid. I've actually never met the family, but we're about to show up at their house. We're going to do some work with the kid, break out the whiteboard, and see how it goes. See if we can get him reading words for the first time. First sound? Mm-hmm. No, try putting together. What would that be if you put together? Mm-hmm. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take your fingers out, okay? You're doing a really good job, really good, okay? Now I want you to put your eyes on the word. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna say this sound, and we're gonna say it really loud like this. Try. Just quick, like t. So every time we see the dot, we're gonna read the next sound. Mm-hmm. Now keep your eyes on it. Keep your eyes on the word. Mm-hmm. Now say it fast. Yeah, it. It. This first sound is ah. Try with ah. So ah. Remember, we do it along. And every time I say this, I want you to look at this, not me. So looking here. Ah. Not t. It's kind of silly. It's really fast. It's like t. Like if you were to take this, and I take this, we go. Try. And t is bad. T is like this. This is like t. That's bad, right? T. But t. Right? So try the good one. T. Say it. So just that's all we say. Every time we see this, we say what? T. Aw. Aw. Look at just the sounds. Aw. 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 Try putting it together. Ought. 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 Good job. Okay, let's try it. Without this, let's just try it out loud, okay? I want you to listen to what I am saying and see if you can put it together, okay? Ah. I. Ah. Ah. Ooh. Z. Good job. Really good job. Okay. Ah. Good. Again. Good. Tell me these two sounds. Put it together. Good. At. Tell me these two sounds. Fast. Fast. Good. It. Good job. Try this one. Fast. Good. This one. Fast. Faster. Good. Ought. Ought. This means just fast. Ought. Good. And last one. Fast. So you're going t. Well, and here it went at, et, it, at. So I want it fast like that. T mix. Ut. Ut. Good. So do them fast now. What's this word say? At. Et. 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 This one? Together? It. It. Good. This one? Together? Ought. This one? Ut. 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 Good. So I think 3 things are happening that are making the reading a little bit tough. And I've talked about some of these on my Instagram reels, and people think I'm like joking about it, but like I do it for a reason because it actually affects the reading, okay? Number 1, we have the sound being added on. So one of the first words that he blended correctly, he had the T sound as the second sound, and he said at. And he was actually blending correctly based on the sounds that he said. He just said 3 sounds, at, And when we add that it makes it harder to blend because instead of at, we have at. So number 1 is we need to get a little bit more crisp with some of those sounds, which is why I was trying to play a game and make it fun. It doesn't matter. Apparently he's into these, right? So we try working these in and doing something that he's actually gonna like to help with that pronunciation. But that's really gonna come down to, as he's practicing and saying the sounds, we're really crisp with when we correct him and cutting those us off the sound. Number 2, there's a little bit of work to be done in terms of being able to actually recognize these sounds quickly. For some kids, when you write down a word, like if you're gonna write down the word map, and you have these 3 sounds, some kids seeing the sounds is gonna help them blend because they're seeing, okay, I know what that says, I know what that says, I know what that says, let me remember it as I read. In this case, seeing the sounds has been a little bit distracting because he's trying to think and he's trying to remember what that sound is. And sometimes he's nailing it, sometimes he's not. So I was trying to focus on letters, only writing down letters that he really knew well. But if you don't have really strong letter knowledge and knowing what those sounds are, the blending is going to be a little bit trickier, okay? Number 3, when you teach a child to read, you teach them the sounds with pictures. And pictures is the big thing that you do. Those pictures are going to come back and ultimately interfere with the reading process. We saw that here. It is clear to me, I might be wrong, but I'm willing to bet a decent amount of money that we've done some work either at home or at school or somewhere else with A being for apple and O being for octopus. And like those are words that are gonna pop in the kid's head when they say it. So it's almost like a knee-jerk response when he says to say apple, or when he says ought to say octopus. Because if you have a card and there's a picture of like the A next to an apple, that's just what the kid is used to. That's why we put the pictures in the back and we use them just as fun. We're not saying meerkat, we're saying then the kid is playing with it. We're not even talking about the meerkat unless they ask us questions, because this picture has nothing to do with this sound. So the goal here is going to be, I am going to test out how keeping it written down works. There is, in addition to like whatever's happened with showing the pictures, in addition to like being able to kind of recognize the letters quickly, some of that work that we need to do pronouncing the sounds, there is the bigger gap that I'm focused on. And I think why Mom and I had connected is related to blending and being able to help him understand that if you have sound 1 and sound 2 and you say it, and then you say it, then we smoothly blend it together, then we blend together fast, okay? This is a process that can take kids days or weeks or months, depending on how it's taught. We made a little bit of progress towards that in about 5 or 6 minutes. We are gonna see if we can do this in the next 5 minutes and get to the place where he's actually seeing 2 sounds and blending them together. And if we can do that in one day, in one visit, that is gonna be a huge win. And if we can't, I'm not gonna force it. I'm not gonna push it. I'm just gonna give some notes to Mom. We're gonna work on it for a week. We're gonna come back and see how it goes then. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna focus on writing down only sounds that I know that he can read really well. I will practice showing the sounds sometimes, not showing the sounds other times. Whatever he seems to be responding to best is what I will do. And I'll keep trying to push the idea of, okay, now put it together, now put it together, now put it together. It's not gonna be a ton of me talking and explaining. It's gonna be a lot of no, at, of me just showing him exactly what I want him to do. All right, Mateo, I am all ready for you again. And what's that sound say? How about now? How about now? How about now? How about now? Every time it says the same thing, right? Together. Ack. That's what we want. Good job, really good. So at first you did ack, and then you put it together and you said put it together. Fast. Ack. Really good. Let's try this one. Put it together. Good. Ack. This one. It. Good. So it doesn't need to be loud. We just want to put it together. So we have two things. Ack. Ek. Ick. Not k. Good. Last one. Good. Good. So where do you think this green came from right there?
From your kid.
You wanna give you a hint? Watch this.
Well, that's what happened.
Try it. But press hard. There you go. Great job.
Now, what do you stop?
You might have a future as an angry teacher. How do you erase that board? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do blue dots. This will be our last four. We'll see how it goes, little guy, okay? Tell me the first sound. Do you like to touch them or not touch them?
I like to touch them.
All you. Go ahead. Yep, so you're still doing it, and I want you to blend them together. It makes it. Fast. Let's get out of here. Say bye-bye, ick.
Bye-bye, ick.
We don't want to see you again, ick.
We want to see you, egg.
Okay, this one right here. Blue dots again?
Yeah.
You touch them or I touch them?
I touched.
Okay, tell me each sound. Ip. Good. Oh, not the is though. There we go. Really good. It's getting better. It's definitely getting better. Okay. Yeah. Good job. Mateo, you read that word. Really good. Give me the dots. Is that letter tough? That's it. Let's get that letter out. Let's do a different one. I'll give you the letter that you want. What you want is a T. You want the T synced, right? That look better? Okay, let's try that. It. So one of them, you got it, but you just add the at the end. It. Good job. Really good. Okay. You are all set, unless, do you want to do more? Or do you want to be all set?
Set.
You want to be all done, or you want to keep doing more?
I want to be all done.
All done. So we made a good amount of progress, especially considering one sitting. And I'm not saying that because that's me and I want it to seem like we did. That's actually a lot of progress. And if you think about where a kid is going into school, being one of 15 or one of 20 or one of 25, to be able to get this sort of one-on-one time and attention and figure out exactly what the issue is and get time working on that in a school, it's just really tough to do, okay? I was a teacher. I would do many things to be able to get this kind of time one-on-one with my students to help push them, okay? So we've identified what we need to do. We need to get much quicker and much more fluent with the letter sounds. This needs to happen so when he sees them down, it is a little bit easier for him to recognize. We need to practice cutting the sound off the end because there's been multiple times now where he's blended correctly, but he's saying it, and he's blending 3 sounds and really we're just focused on 2. So we need to start cutting the off the end. Number 3, I think we can practice written down and out loud. Some of the out loud stuff was when he was most likely to flip to a word like apple or octopus. And when I wrote it down, as long as it was sounds he could recognize, it was actually pretty helpful for him. So I think we need more practice there with just 2 sounds. And really, as a parent, this is where like teaching experience, you need common sense. You're looking at your kid and you're not like, what's the degree I got in education? You're like, what are they responding to? And in this case, he's really enjoying the dots. He's liking touching them. He's liking erasing. So as I get to know him more, I'm starting to involve him and bring him in and let him touch the dots. And then he liked when I did this, and he liked when he could take his finger and blend it like that. And this little thing there ended up helping him read the couple 2 sound words that he read on his own, like is, right? He was able to kind of do that and sweep through. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep working with the dots. We're gonna keep working with blending. We're gonna keep following his lead and seeing what he does and building off of that to get him really, really, really strong with 2 sounds. Once this clicks for him, and usually it's like a light bulb goes off. Once this 2 sound clicks, whether it's tomorrow, the next day, next week, 2 weeks after, hopefully it's not any more than 2 weeks, but once this clicks, we're gonna start adding that 3rd sound to the beginning. The whole time, we're gonna keep working on a couple sounds at the beginning that he's not super comfortable with, so he gets these a little bit faster. Then it's blending, blending, blending. And with this kind of one-on-one work, with this kind of targeting, with this approach, finding what works for him, it's gonna be no time until he's actually reading these 2 sound words quickly, then moving on to 3, 4, and 5.